All right, we got the 2007 Honda Pilot here that we're gonna be changing the oil. Done a few things on this over through the years, changed the alternator, did some other things. So we're gonna do the oil change today. All right, so first off, we're gonna come down here under the car. First we gotta locate the oil drain plug. It's just right over here. Let's see here. Right there, you can see it. Okay, pretty simple. So let's see. Next, I just need a 17mm ratchet, which we got right here. I'm just gonna come underneath. Now I've already loosened it, so but if you need to, you can take a little rubber mallet and bonk it off. Help it out there. So this will just come off here. Make sure you get your oil drain right there. And now we're just gonna spin it till it comes off. And here it goes. It starts leaking a little bit. There it goes. Woohoo! Make sure you give enough room so it doesn't spill out past it, because it'll shoot out there pretty good. Once that drains, we'll put the plug back in, and then we'll do the oil filter, which is just on the other side over here, and we'll show you here in a second. Alright, so it's draining pretty good. It's going. I say typically just to start your engine for a little bit, just to get the oil a little bit warm. And so we've been driving this all day, so it's been sitting for a little bit, but it's still pretty warm. So alright, getting pretty close here. Alright, cool. Now we can just turn this around. The plug is just right. Where is it? All right. All right, I got the plug back. Ooh, it's still pretty warm. All right, we're gonna put it back up in here now. There it goes. I almost had it. Alright, just spin it till it goes back on. Alright, clean it off with paper towel or whatever you got on you. Not too long. Alright, now I'll just tighten it up. Okay, you're fine. Alright, little turn there. Alright, we're pretty clean there. Alright, next, we're gonna put this back over here to do the oil filter. Alright, bring this around here. All right, the oil filter is gonna be right up. Let's see if we can see it right there. Yeah, we can see it pretty good. Just right here, hanging down. And you just do a little turn counterclockwise. See, it's already starting to go. See, it's starting to leak right there. So we'll just give it a second here. It's pretty easy. You can usually just do it by your hand. There's a special tool if you want to get it. But on these, it's pretty easy since you don't have to jack up your car. All right, it's coming off here. Oh. All right, and you can just drain the oil down into the drain there, and just throw that in there. All right, next we need to get the filter here. I should have had it here, but let me go grab it real quick. All right, so I just got a mobile one, model M1-110A. You know, it says it protects up to 1 year. I'm not gonna ever do that, but hey, we'll see how it goes. All right, so get back up in here. And just thread it on the exact opposite way in which you took it off. There it goes. Spin it, spin it, spin it. You can just hand tighten this. You're good to go. All right, oil filter's on there. Let's come back out. All right. Next, we got some Mobil 1 high mileage, and this uses 5W20. Okay, so pretty standard stuff. We'll come up here. All right. So the drain plug is very simple. It's just right here. Unscrew it. And we get our funnel here. All right, open the bad boy here. Sorry, hand is a little greasy here. There it goes, perfect. All right, we'll just poke a little hole here in it right here. Take the dipstick out so we can get some readings here in a bit. All right, make sure to just clean off your dipstick. So with this, you want it to be within the little markers that it has here. So you have one right there, and of course it's right there. So you want it in the middle there, okay? All right, we'll start pouring. All right, once it gets around 4.5 quarts. Just check it. Once again, you want to get it right there in the sweet spot on the dipstick. And on these bottles now, they'll have you can actually see where the quarts are at and actually where the oil is. See that? It's kind of cool. All right, let's check the dipstick real quick here. All right, that's where the dipstick goes. Okay, let's pull it out. Let's take a look. Yeah, we're looking pretty close. Maybe just a little bit more. Just a tad more here. Another look here real quick. Yeah, we'll go a little more. All right. You can really see that on there, but it's pretty good. All right, put the dipstick back in. All right, pull the funnel out. Put the cap back on. All right, come down here. Let's make sure we don't have any leaks or anything like that. That's not from that, that's from something else. Air conditioning. All right, I think we are pretty good. So that is how you change the oil and oil filter on a 2007 Honda Pilot.